Here I am. It's my first day with my new family. We're on a road trip from Lexington back down to Florida. This is my big sister, Ellie. My name's Mikey. Hi, Mikey. Ellie, your big sister now. We got you a puppy, Ellie. You're a big sister. You got a little brother now. Listen, he makes little brother sounds. He makes little baby Dane sounds. Hi, Mikey. There's my dad. Oh, it's so wonderful that there's pet-friendly hotels.
Sister.
Look at this. Ellie, be careful with him. Ellie, be careful. Good girl. We're having a good time. Ellie, you're not the biggest Dane, and he looks so tiny because he's only 6 weeks old. There we go. Take good care of your brother, Ellie. Good boy, Mikey. Good girl, Ellie. We love you.